Good morning student, I welcome you to the class, and today we are going to do the same topic, that is direct and indirect speech. It is known by the name of narration also. Now I want to know that what is the meaning of direct speech. Children, when we speak the exact word of the speaker, then that is a direct speech. If we speak the exact word of the speaker, if we speak, then that is a direct speech. And if that speech, like Joy said to Ellen, I am doing my work. You can see here, Joy said to Ellen, I am doing my work. Now children, one of the characteristic of direct speech is that whatever the exact word is told, it is there in the inverted comma. So you can see the inverted comma here, and I am doing my work is the exact word of the speaker. So this is a direct speech. Okay, so Joy said to Ellen, I am doing my work. This is a direct speech. Now, if this word will be told to somebody else in different way, then that would be indirect speech. Like Joy told Alan, this is first sentence and this is second. Joy told Alan that he was doing his work. Now children, if you will look this sentence, okay, the meaning of this sentence and this sentence is almost the same. In fact, it is having the same meaning, but this is not the exact word of the speaker. This is the exact word of the speaker because it is here in the inverted comma, I am doing my work, and this is not the exact word of the speaker, okay, because he was doing his work. This is not the exact word of the speaker. So this is an indirect speech. Okay. Now one more thing I want like to tell to you, that children, Joy said to Ellen. Okay, here it is written said and here it is written told. So you can see here it is written said, here it is written told. So children, you have to see, if before that I should tell you the two parts of the narration. So children, this part which is a central comma is here. If you will see this sentence, Joy said to Ellen, I am doing my work. Okay, if you will see this whole sentence, the sentence number 1, and children, you will see one part is there before this central comma. So this is known as reporting part. Okay, this is known as reporting part, and this is a reporting verb. This is a reporting verb. Joy said to Ellen, I am doing my work. So this is a reporting part and this is a reported part. Okay. Now, if object is there, now this is a reporting verb. If object is there in the reporting part, what is the object here? Ellen is an object and this is a subject. Joy is a subject and Ellen is a object. So if object is present in the reporting verb, if object is present in the reporting verb, then that is it. Okay, if object is present in the reporting verb, then this is here said will be changed into told. If object will not be there in the reporting verb, like suppose Joy said to Ellen must not be here. Joy said, I am doing my work. Children, so told will not be here. So just mind one thing, if object is there in the reporting verb, then said to will be changed into told according to the tenses. If it would have been tell here, it would have been changed into says then instead of says, tell will be there. Okay, but this happen when object will be there in the reporting verb. Then this said to will change into told. Okay, and if object is not there, then told will not be there, then only said will be there. So just you try to understand this. Okay, so once again I revise. The exact word of the speaker is a direct speech. If that verb is said to somebody else with due changes, then that is an indirect speech. Now there are two parts in the reported narration. In the first part is children before the inverted comma. So that part is known as reporting part, and the verb here is reporting verb. Okay, I am doing my work. I am doing my work, that is a reported part. I am doing my work, that is a reported part. Now how to change direct speech into a reported speech? This is very important. Now children, how to change direct speech into indirect speech? Now whenever we have to change direct speech into indirect speech, you have to see a few things. Okay, first of all, no change is done in the reporting part. What is the reporting part? Which is before the inverted comma, that is a reporting part. So no change is done in the reporting part. And children, it is a reporting verb that determines the change. Children, when we will see the reporting verb, what is the reporting verb here said? So it determines all the changes. Okay, when we will see the reporting verb, it determines all the changes. Why? If reporting verb will be in present tense or in future tense, children, then there will be few changes. And if the reporting verb will be in the past tense, then the other changes will be seen. Okay, so let's talk about when the reporting verb is in the present tense or when reporting verb is in the future tense. When reporting verb is in the present tense or reporting verb is in the future tense. Okay, then we have to see few things. Now student, when a reporting verb is there in the present tense, then how many things are changed? First of all, if object is there, then says to is changed into tells or will tell. Okay, says to or will say. Okay, or will say is changed into tells or will tell. So children, if the reporting verb is in the present tense, that is says or will say, and if the object is present, then the children, then reporting verb will be changed into tells or will tell if object is present. Okay, and then children, you have to remove the central comma and you have to use the conjunction that after removing central comma. Use the conjunction that after removing central comma. Then children, third is removal of inverted comma. Then fourth is changes in the pronoun. Then fifth is, if pronouns are changed, then change in the verbs of the reported part according to the changed pronoun. Changes in the reported part according to the changed pronoun. Okay. So children, once again I explain, this is a rule written. If this one says to or will say, that is children, if the reported verb is in present tense or in future tense. So if reported verb will be in present tense or in future tense, then what changes will be there? Says to or will says will change into tells or will tell. If object will be there, you can write it here. If object is there in the reporting part. Okay, if object is there in the reporting part, then use the conjunction that after removing central comma, removal of inverted comma, change in the pronoun, change in the reported part according to the changed pronoun. Okay, so this will be there. These 5 changes will be there. Okay, so you have to see whether the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense. If it is there, you have to remove the inverted comma first. You have to remove the central comma. You have to use the conjunction that, and then children, changes in the reported part according to the changed pronoun. Changes in the pronoun. Changes in the reported part according to the changed pronoun. Okay. Here it will come in the verb of a reported part according to the changed pronoun. If pronoun will be changed, verb automatically is going to be changed. For example, so I hope we are clear. If reporting verb is in present or past tense, so first you have to remove inverted comma, then you have to remove central comma. Whenever you will remove central comma, you will have to add children conjunction that children. Then children, changes in the pronoun will be there, and if changes in the pronoun will be there, then the verb will automatically will change. So these are few of the changes in the while changing from direct to indirect speech. We have to see the reporting verb. So if reporting verb is in the present tense or in the future tense, then we have to do 5 things. Okay, 5 things I have written on the board. Okay, first, changes, removal of the inverted comma, use the conjunction that after removing central comma. Okay, changes in the pronoun, changes in the verb of the reported part. Okay, and says to or will say will change into tells or will say, will tell. So this is some of the important points if the reporting verb is in present tense. Now few example I will write it here. Okay, so few example I will write it here. John says to me, I'm your friend. Now one more thing children, you have to see. John says to me, okay, John says to me, I am your friend. Now if you will see here, you will see children here the reporting verb is in the present tense. So here 5 things will be changed. What things will be changed? First of all, we have to remove inverted comma. After removing inverted comma, we have to remove central comma. And says will change if the object is there in the reporting part. So says will change into says will. John says to me, I am your friend. Says will change into tells. Remove this comma, add the conjunction that, change the pronoun, verbs will automatically change with the pronoun. So here it will become, since object is here, so what you will write, John tells me, because object me is there. If you see this sentence here, object me is there. If me would not have been there, then you would have written John says. But here object is there, me is there. So what you will write here, John tells me. Remove the inverted comma, remove this comma and use the conjunction that. Now children, children you have to see first person or second person and third person. If first person is there, it will be changed according to the subject. If second person is there, it will change according to the object. This is the subject. If third person is there, no changes will be there. So John's tell me that, I will change it to he is my friend. He is my friend. Now I have to tell you so many things. Okay, what things? First of all children, 2 parts are there, reporting part and reported part. This is the reporting verb. So first thing children, whenever you do this thing, you have to see the reporting verb. If object is there along with the reporting verb, so what you have to see, if object is there along with the reporting verb, then tells will be here. John's tell me. Okay, remove the inverted commas, we have already removed here. And then we have to remove this comma. As soon as we remove this comma, then the conjunction that will be there. We will add the conjunction that, which I have already here. Now you have to see children, if it is in present tense, the whole thing will be in the present tense. Nothing will be changed. Only the pronoun will change according to the present tense, and if pronoun will be changed, the verbs automatically will be changed. Now here what are the pronouns here? I and your. These are the 2 pronouns. Now I is the pronoun of first person and your is the pronoun of second person. Now first person pronoun of the reported part, okay, is changed according to the subject of the reporting part. Is changed according to the subject of the reporting part. So what is the subject of the reporting part? John. Okay. Your. This is known as object. I am your friend. This is the object. I am your friend. This is John says to me, I am your friend. Okay. So John says to me, I am your friend. Yours is object. It will change according, yours is the pronoun which will change according to the object of the reporting part. So what is the object of the reporting part? Me is the object of the reporting part. So me, if you will write here, the sentence will be wrong. So you have to think here. What you have to think? You have to say that he is my friend. George tell me that he is my friend. Okay, so I hope you have understood. All right. So whenever you have to see children, whenever there is a reporting verb is in present tense, so 5 things are changed. First thing, reporting part will be changed into what? Yes, you have to remove the inverted comma, you have to remove the central comma, you have to remove children, you have to remove central comma, you have to add the conjunction. Alright, and after adding the conjunction that, okay, you have to change the pronoun. So if it is a first person pronoun, it will change according to the subject of the reporting part. If it is second person pronoun, it will change according to the children object of the reporting part. Now one more example I will write and tell you this thing. This will be in the future tense. Now here, if the reporting verb is in the future tense, then what happens? So Ahmad will say, okay, I go to the market. Now you can see this is a, since this is written in the inverted comma, so this is a, what is this? This is a direct speech. And children, here the verb here, the reporting verb here is in the present tense, future tense. And I told you if future reporting verb is in the future tense and object is not there, so the same thing will be written here. So what will be written here? Ahmad will say. Then children, you have to remove the inverted comma and you have to remove the central comma and put that. Now this is a first person pronoun, it will change to the subject. Okay, so that he goes. Now with he we never write the verb go. With he we write the verb goes. He goes to the market. So one thing is that children, you can see if the pronoun is changed, the verbs are automatically changed according to the pronoun. Verbs are automatically changed according to the pronoun. Okay, so I think this is clear to you. Okay, one more example. The boy has said coffee is ready. Okay, no object here, so this will not change. The boy has said that coffee is ready. Okay, the boy has said that coffee is ready. Okay, now one more. Mother say I am washing clothes. Okay, now no object here, so what you will say? Mother says dad clothes. Why she is here? Because when this is the first person, it will change according to the subject. Subject is a mother here. Okay, this is the first person. First person always change according to the subject. If second person is there, it will change according to the object. So here object is not there, so two changes things are there. If object would have been there here, it would have come mother's tells. But the object is not there, so says will be there, and children, some other changes will be there. Okay. Now he says, I am playing. Okay. He says, I am playing. He says, I am playing. So what would be there? He says that he is playing. Now children, it is simple present tense, so the whole thing will be in the present tense. Changes of the tenses will not be there. Okay, so this is the thing. All right, so there is no change in the tense when reporting verb is in the present or future tense. So this you can write for the note. There is no change in the tense if, what you will say, if when reporting verb is in the present when reporting verb is in the present or when reporting verb is in the present or future tense. Okay, so children, this is there. Mother says I am washing clothes. Mother says that she is washing clothes. He says I am playing. He says that he is playing. There is no change in the tense if or when reporting verb is in the present or future tense. So you have to see this, children. Okay. So now I think I have told if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense. So 5 things are changed. What things are changed, that you have to remember. Okay, what things are changed here? First, children, you have to remove the inverted comma. Then the central comma is removed. If central comma is removed, then you have to add the conjunction that. There will be a change in the pronoun, and if changes in the pronoun will be there, then children, the verb of course will be changed according to the change pronoun. The other thing which you have to pay attention is of reporting part. Children, if reporting part, if the reporting verb is in the present tense and if object is there, in the reporting part, so tell or will tell will come. If it is not there, then simply whatever, like here you can see there is no object is there in all these sentences. You can see there is no object. So here mother says, okay, he says. If there would have been mother says to me, so what would happen here? Mother tells me. Okay, so in this way the changes take place. Now in tomorrow's video I will be telling you that what changes will be there if the reporting verb is in the past tense. So there are not many changes, and that I will be discussing in my next video. With this, I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.